Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fantastic world of dashcams, and I'm excited to introduce you to the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. This little device is a game changer when it comes to capturing your driving adventures in stunning 4K UHD resolution. With built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, and a 150 wide-angle lens, the ROVE R2-4K Pro is the ultimate companion for any road trip. Record your journey in crystal clear detail and easily share your favorite moments with friends and family using the ROVE Dashcam app. But that's not all. This dashcam is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including super night vision, WDR, 24-hour parking mode, and a 2.4-inch screen for easy viewing. Plus, with support for micro South Dakota cards up to 512 GB, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space. And here's the best part: when you purchase the ROVE R2-4K Pro through the link in the description, you'll be backed by a hassle-free 1-year warranty and 100% customer care from our USA Chicago-based team. Plus, you can take advantage of our full refund policy within 30 days if you have any doubts. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your driving experience with the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam today. Just click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations.